Hi guys, how you doing? This is Dan with Index Option Trading here, back here with a daily chart, a year-to-date chart of SPX, and here's a nice clean look here at SPX, which is very oversold at this point, and it created a nice white doji here after the market close. And this doji is, in fact, is signaling us that the downtrend should have ended. However, the confirmation can only come on this doji when it closes above the head of this candle. So if we close above 1050, I think we should be okay here. Then the downtrend may have ended. And if we close above this 50-day moving average, which is sitting here at 1050, then it's still good. And if we move above this trend line at 1070, then the uptrend would definitely be continuing. And so that is the confirmation that we need to look at it. Let's look at RUT. This is our favorite index, but it hasn't done very well here. And what I have done here, let me bring this thing up close. Actually, it made a double top here, and that's the neckline that I'm sitting and looking at it here. The distance from the neckline is 620 to 580, is about 40 points. So it could technically go from 580 to 540 levels here. That's the amount of travel the neckline should be able to travel. You take the distance from here to there and then subtract from here. And so 540 could be a level here. But what I'm seeing here on the charts here is a red doji. And that could or could not be confirmed. It's the end of this downturn. So let's see how this thing starts coming up here tomorrow, and if it starts moving up higher, then we should be looking at some. But the rut is one of the most weakest of the indexes. It has created most technical damage in this downturn, and at most, if it even manages to come back up here, we're gonna have something like a sideways market, not a very good uptrend here, unless it finishes here 615 and then moves higher. So that's why we're gonna keep an eye on it on RUT. And let's take a look at NDX, the chart, which is the Nasdaq 100. And as you can see, Nasdaq 100 dropped from 1775 to 1672. And let me bring this up close here. It has made a nice doji here. I'm seeing a lot of white dojis here, which is not just an occurrence, but it is a phenomena that is happening in all these charts, and that should be signaling us some kind of a trend change in the downward, or the selling has to stop and some buying has to come in here. But the market is extremely oversold here. The stochastic is below 20. I haven't seen it this low in a long time, but these are the readings that we're getting. Just let's take a look at SPY here quickly. And SPY also has put, SPY has put a nice white doji here. The nice volume here, very oversold, just below its 50-day moving average. It should bounce, and if it does bounce and closes above, then we can confirm this white doji was a trend change and not something spectacular or something deceiving. So another one here, IWM, which is the ETF for RUT, hasn't done it very well. It also has a neckline, double top, and it can possibly go down here 62.5 to about 4.5 points, about up to 52 or so. I think this is what I've drawn here, 55 levels. And it has put in a red doji, extremely heavy volume, which is also negative here though, but it remains to be seen. The progress on RUT and IWM is the key to this market getting higher, and that's where I leave it for you. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Hi guys, this is Dan again with another edition on the same video that I was showing you here, and what I'm trying to do here is just to show you what is happening. This is Nasdaq McClellan oscillator as a tool that I use occasionally to see what the short-term trading and has been doing, and this tool has never seen, as you see it here, this is the McClellan oscillator as of today, 2009, and it has some very extreme readings here, minus 75. Only these readings that I've seen here happened here in March, minus 75, and now. So the market is extremely oversold here, as this McClellan oscillator is showing us here. Let's take a look at it at the New York McClellan oscillator right here and see how we're doing on this one. The NYSE McClellan oscillator ratio is also is a short-term indicator of oversold and overbought conditions. And if you look at it, we're here at about 6,500 and down to minus 100. I've never seen NYSE McKellen oscillator at this low. And if you look at it here in March, these are the same extremely oversold readings that we have seen here. So the market has experienced some kind of a very phenomenal low readings on this McKellen oscillator, and every time it has done that, the market has a trajectory upwards from here, from these oversold conditions. So it's a market that the shorts already know is extremely oversold, and the readings are just way down here. And if they continue shorting the market, this could be a big major rally that can come out from here. Every time it has done that, and if you look at it here as I'm seeing here, you would see the corresponding rallies that have ensued after it has hit its low. So that's all I just wanted to share again, and bring this thing to your attention, and we will see how the market performs in a day or two.